Hi, welcome back to my channel. Really excited. My Beautylish box has arrived. So mine's a little bit behind. Obviously the US, obviously coming to Australia, it takes a little bit of time. But it has arrived and I have been seeing lots of videos about it, and I know that I will either be excited or disappointed with what's in this box. Going by the weight, I think I'm going to be a little bit disappointed. I was hoping I was going to get one of the extra special boxes and get the Lila palette in it, but I don't think that that is the case with my box. So I'm opening it up now, so you can definitely tell I haven't had a sneak peek. So if you've been watching the videos, you'll know that they come packaged like this. They take after the Japanese Fukubukuro, which is Lucky Bag. They offer that in the new year in Japan every year, which is a way of getting rid of old stock. Generally it's good value. What I've seen of these Lucky Bags is I paid $90 US, which is quite a lot in Australian with our conversion rate. I'll have to have a look at how much that is and I'll put that up on the screen. And how much I paid in Australian, and we're getting about double the amount, so over $150. So it's not the best, but it's a way of me hopefully trying some new products and things I haven't tried before, and new brands. So it says here that Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspire us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good fortune and luck. We hope that the surprises inside make your 2019 a little bit more lucky. So this paper is awesome. I am a Japanese teacher, so this is certainly something I will use in my everyday. I like it, it's cute. And getting rid of the tissue paper. And I can tell I didn't get any of the extra special things. I got a feeling I've got the stuff that I'm not going to be super excited about. But let's unwrap it and see. So what did I get? I got a Wayne Goss number 20 brush, which just looks like a small detail crease brush. I got one of his brushes last year. I'll put the price up of what that is. Everyone got a Good Molecules serum. I was hoping to just get the standard serum, but I've got the eye serum. It's believed that it's going to be a affordable brand, so I don't think that's going to add much value to the box. I got the Hourglass Mineral Primer. So here we go here. It's not too bad. I'm happy with the primer. I got the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream in Rosé. So I haven't tried any of the Jouer liquid lips, so will be interesting to see whether, oh, it's a metallic lip, so I know straight up that that's not for me. So I'll probably put that aside for a giveaway at some point. So I'm kind of like, I'm already not super impressed with my thing. Oh, I got a Kevin Aucoin curling mascara. Now that's cool, I like having mascaras, but it's probably an overpriced mascara. And I usually go for volumizing, not curling. So we'll see how that goes. And then the last thing in the palette, ooh, okay, is a Viseart palette. Now, I know that these are extraordinarily overpriced palettes, but I'm interested to see whether the quality of them is, I guess, aligned with the price of them. So I got the Golden Hour palette. I haven't seen this one in any of the videos that I've watched, so that's pretty cool. So getting that out, I like, by the looks of it, I'm going to like the colour. Ooh, I like the packaging of this. So very nice packaging, nice and sturdy. And we have our palette inside with a plastic sleeve, and then our colours there. Now straight up, I'm impressed with the palette. This is really nice. I can create a lot of looks with that. It's definitely the kind of palette I could do a, you know, 1 month, one palette look with or travel with. So that is really cool. I'm actually pretty stoked with that, and I'm looking forward to trialing what the eyeshadows are like, because I haven't tried any of their eyeshadows. So if we look at this, the things I'm excited by is this palette, and I'm appreciative of a brush. I was hoping for one of the Songy G brushes, mainly because they look really nice. But other than that, these two things, the Jouer metallic lip and the Kevin Aucoin mascara, I could give or take. I will add that to my skincare. I may end up putting that in a giveaway. I'm hoping to have a giveaway soon. I'd like to kind of have a giveaway, and I'm really trying to build my subscribers, and if I can get up to, you know, a decent amount of subscribers, I'd like to have a giveaway to thank you for coming and watching me when I do these videos. So please, you know, subscribe if you haven't, and share, or like, and that way people might get to know that I'm around and that I'm making these videos, and that way I get more subscribers and I can do this giveaway. The primer, that's cool. I'm happy to have a different primer to try. Hopefully it won't be too drying. It doesn't look like it will be. It is SPF. And nothing on it that says that it's mattifying, so I'll have to try that and see how that works. But yeah, so up here I'll have obviously the totals of what the prices were. I've got to go do a bit of research for that, because I literally got home from work and I've opened this box, so I have no idea what the value is. But I've got a pretty good idea that it's only going to be around the $150, $160 US value. And, you know, it's not the best that I've seen. I would have loved to have got like the Lila palette, and I was kind of, part of me was hoping to get the Anastasia Soft Glam palette as well. But I am pretty happy with this Viseart palette. That is pretty cool, and I haven't tried. I've tried Natasha Denona and I've tried Anastasia, but I haven't tried Viseart, so I am actually looking forward to giving that a go. And yeah, so it's just a way. I'm kind of, my mission this year is to try some brands that I haven't tried before. I managed to get one of the Jeffree Star Valentine mystery bags. I haven't tried any Jeffree Star products, depending on whether you support him or don't support him. I've heard that his products are pretty good. I wanted to give it a go, and that was a good way for me to get some sampling of some of his products to try. And I want to do that throughout the year, is get from brands that I haven't tried, just to see how they are. So thank you for obviously watching, and I will see you soon and get back to you on what I think of these products as I try them. So remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior, and I will see you later. Bye!